Today, I will teach you how to make Sichuan skewers at home. Cut your favorite meats and vegetables as you like. Skewer them with bamboo sticks. Heat oil and sauté Soeos broad bean paste until aromatic. Stir-fry garlic, ginger, green onions, and onions until fragrant. Pour in the prepared spices. Add half a hot pot base block and thicken broth. Add Soeos pink salt and cook for 15 minutes. Remove the spices and strain the soup. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and set aside to cool. Boil the skewers in water until cooked. Soak the cooked skewers in the broth, stir, and let them sit for 5 minutes for even flavoring.